Hello friends, welcome back to Vedic Maths classes. Today we are going to learn multiplication of single digit number. You know what is called single digit number, students? Single digit number are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now these numbers are lesser than the 10. Now here very important point we have written here lesser than the base. Now what is the base here? So base you have to understand, base is nothing is the power of 10 which we are going to solve. Power of 10. Now power of 10 are 10, 100, thousands. These are called power of tens and like that it will goes on. Now here how to understand where to use which base. So very much important. So based on the questions, we will now see which base is required. For example, we have the question here, we have to multiply 7 into 8. So this is the question given to you, multiply 7 into 8. So the first step is the step number 1, which is very important. You have to see here which is the base near to these numbers. So you can see here the number 7 and 8 both are below 10. So we have to consider the base will be here your 10. So here base is 10. Now we have the step number 2. So in the step number 2, what we have to do is we have to learn writing, how to write these number when we are going to multiply by Vedic math. So this is the method 7 into 8 we have to write in this 7. There's exactly down we have to write 8 and on the left side we have to use the product symbol and then one line we have to make it at the down. So this is the step number 2. In the step number 3, now we are going to move step number 3. In the step number 3, we have to subtract each of them from 10. So there are two numbers 7. This is the product we are going to find. Now we have to subtract here each of the number from 10. So 7 minus 10 will be equal to minus 3 and similar way 8. 8 minus 10 will be equal to minus 2. So this side I am doing the rough work for your understanding. Now here this side on the left hand side we have written the numbers and now on the right hand side we have to write the difference. So we have written the difference here. So this is the step number 3. Find the difference of each of the number from 10. So we got the difference. Now we are going to write the step number 4. Okay. In the step number 4, what we are going to do it here. So step number 4 is now we are going to I'll write it here. So this number what we got it after subtraction. So these numbers we are going to multiply. What we are going to do? These numbers we have to multiply here. So you know 3 into 2 is 6, which is you can do in normal 3 tables. Okay. So we got it here 6 after multiplying these two numbers. So we have completed till step number 4 and now we have to see the next step. So in the next step what we have to do it here, as it is first to write it 7 into 8 and this side we have minus 3 and minus 2 and now this one we have multiply and this we got 6 also we got. Now here we have to either add these numbers 7 and minus 2. So we'll get the another digit of the multiplications. So you can do 7 minus 2 or another way is either you can do it like this side. I'm writing 7 into 8 minus 3 minus 2, or you can add this 2. So this one we have multiply, and this one we are going to add. Here also write the add. So another method is either we can add this 8 minus 3. Both will give you the same answer. Now if you solve it down here, then 7 minus 2 is 5 and this is 6. This line is just for segregation, and here also you can see 5 and 6. So both the places you are getting the same answer. Now hence your answer will be 7 into 8, which will be equal to 56 children. Okay. So your answer is now 56. This is the way you are going to do the Vedic math problems. But this is the steps. Everything we'll do into 1 or 2 steps. We'll not do more steps to solve these things. So this is the method. That's why I've explained you very much in details. In the next video, you will see very simple way we are going to do the method. You just understand the concept. So my dear students and my dear friends, please start practicing and keep loving math. Thank you friends, and thank you my students. Bye bye.